Hey guys, welcome back to Tara's Kitchen. So today, as you can see, doing a South African dish called potato and chakalaka bake. I'm gonna be making this later on at uni in the term, so it's my first time trying it out. I'm gonna need curry powder, beans, potatoes, pepper, Nando's sauce, some cream, Cajun seasoning, red cabbage, some peppers, carrots, broccoli, spring onions, and I don't know if I'll use the mushrooms. As you can see, the first step, you're gonna grate your onion, and after doing that, you're gonna dice your peppers. Okay, so as soon as your mise en place is done for the chopping, as well as grating the carrots, you're gonna wash your potatoes and you're gonna slice them, and you're gonna just take apart the half broccoli into florets. And your first step is putting in the onions, and also you need 2 cloves of garlic for this. And you're gonna put in all the 3 things including the peppers at once, and you're just gonna fry that. The next step is gonna be putting in the curry powder and just stirring it again, or just tossing the pan like I'm doing. Just make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot, so you can use a wooden spoon. After 5 minutes, add paprika and the rest of your spices and stir. Okay, I'm gonna be putting in the medium Nando's sauce. So this recipe basically says put in 3 chilies, but I don't eat spices like that, so I had to improvise and keep it South African by using the medium Nando's sauce, and also spices like Cajun, which I can actually hack. Okay, so you're just gonna leave it to simmer for a bit. As you can see, I've added the carrots in. That's what's making it a bit orange. And then I'm gonna put in some black pepper. Make sure you're tasting as you go. So I'm adding all of this stuff because it wasn't as tasty, and I've added some liquid seasoning, and just keep mixing. As you can see now, I've put in the baked beans. You can use baked beans, chickpeas, or kidney beans, but for my first go I decided to use the baked beans. So just see how it goes. I've just added in the spring onion, and I'm just mixing it in there. Okay, when you're done, put all of that mixture in a Pyrex dish, and then just spread it out so it covers the whole bottom part. That's how it looks in there, that good color. I've tasted it as well to make sure, because that's what's gonna make the taste of the dish, and for me the taste was perfect, so I decided to go on and put my potatoes round. And then when you've done the first layer, put in some cream, and then just spread it around like I'm doing, so it sips in through the edges. When you're done, you're meant to season first, so obviously I realized I made a mistake, and then I started adding the seasoning, and I didn't put seasoning on the first layer because then it was going to be too much, so I'm putting it on the second one, just adding like the spices I showed you, and also some cubes and balsamic glaze. It's a must to use balsamic glaze with potatoes. I'm obsessed with it now. Okay, so when you've done that, you're gonna add your other layer of potatoes, and then when you're done, you're doing the same thing of seasoning. and then you're adding oil so it doesn't become dry and burn. And then you put your cream again, and then the balsamic glaze, just exactly like you did the first time. And then you're gonna add your paprika. Just adding some white pepper, liquid seasoning, and that should do it. Okay, so when that is done, it's gonna look something like this, and then you're gonna put it in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4 or 5. Okay, when it's done, after 45 minutes, you're gonna plate it up, and then I just made some red cabbage on the side, and this is how it looks. Cheese! This was tasty, guys, trust me. The combination between the sweet red cabbage and the kind of spicy chakalaka bake was amazing. The contrast is really good. You can always put it with something else as a garnish, but I just decided to use some red cabbage because I wanted to use red cabbage. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and tell me the dishes you'd want me to make. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.